Hello, scientists. All right, we are here in Digital Science Notebook, Part 2. Remember, this assignment will be due on Friday. Our introduction. In Part 2 of this week's Digital Science Notebook assignment, you, once again, will be defining vocabulary words related to the water cycle. Knowing the definition of these words will help you score a proficient on your water cycle summative assessment. Right? And you're watching this introduction video right now. So part 1A of this assignment, it says, look up the following words in the Discovery Education Glossary. Again, here's a link to Discovery Education, and this is the same video I gave you last week. It's just a reminder of how to use Discovery Education to look up words. And so these are the words I want you to look up. Ocean, river, cloud, plant, glacier, aquifer, and atmosphere. You're going to need to know all of these words in order to score a proficient on your summative. Because remember, you're going to be a drop of water visiting all of these places. There are two words that are not listed in the Discovery Education Glossary, but you need to know them for your summative. So you're gonna have to look those up online, see what you could find about a lake and an iceberg. So look up those definitions. So once you've, as you're looking them up, what you're going to want to do for part 1B is on flashcards or in a notebook, write down the definition of the word, use it in a sentence, and draw a picture that represents what the word means. You're not going to turn this into me, but these are all things that will be useful for you for your summative, and I will allow you to use notes on your summative. Okay, so this would be make sure you take really good notes, and you'll be very prepared. Okay, so this is a longer assignment, so once you get through doing all this part, it might be a good idea to take a brain break. That's kind of the part 1 of the assignment. And when you've given yourself a little brain break, come back. And for part 2, this is where you're going to share what you learned on Flipgrid. So like last week, I would like you to pick 3 of the questions. Oh, I don't want you to pick the questions. I want you to pick 3 of the words from the previous page and share your response and share your definitions on Flipgrid. And then after you've shared yours, I would like you, at some point, you might not be able to do it right away, depending on when you post, but I would like you to watch at least 3 other videos that were made by your classmates and leave a comment about them. Okay, so if you're one of the first people to post yours, you might need to wait a day or 2 and then go back in and watch at least, like I said, 3 other videos and leave a comment. And when you're done with that, go ahead in here and reflect on your learning target. Just move the check mark to where you are. Hopefully you're at a 3. I defined all the words and I know what all of them mean. Or maybe you're even at a 4 where you could teach other students. Hopefully you're here or here. And so after you've kind of put where you are where you best describe your learning, you can go on to this last page. You're done. Just make sure you submit it in Google Classroom. I cannot wait to watch your Flipgrids. It's my favorite part of my day, besides seeing you in class, is going in and watching your awesome videos that you make. So I can't wait to see them, and let me know if you have any questions.